Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the Ring first generation keypad. Let's get started. Okay. Here we are. Ring. Okay. Perfect. Here is our keypad. Okay. So we have the buttons. We have disarm, we have home, and we have away. Anyways, let's see this. We have a manual. And whatever this is, don't need that. Here we have accessories. Here we have the charger. The adapter for Europe, it seems. And then UK, which I'm in. And of course we have the mounting screws. And then we have the actual plug. That's it for today, it seems. I will be with you on the Ring app to set it up. So now we're gonna set it up. Okay. Security. What is it again? Oh yeah, keypads. First gen. Okay. Scan the QR code. Okay, let's do that. Use this code. Plug in the keypad. So all you're going to do is just plug it in. And preparing to add device. Adding device. Might take a bit of time. Okay. Now we're configuring. Okay, it's added. Let's set it up. It's going to be in my bedroom. So I'm just going to... let's see bedroom keypad. Okay. Success. Okay, see you in the next video.